Amanda. I think you just have to unmute in the lower corner. Unmute yourself.
Am I muted or unmuted right now?
Good.
Yay, this is
When I
fun.
see your
How
face.
wonderful. This is all so new to me.
I know I love it. I'm just navigating Zoom for the first time myself, so bear with us if there are any kinks here. But this is Amanda Pivar from Dominion Lending. And
Hello.
hi. I thought it would be helpful to just share with you a little bit about what's going on in the mortgage industry. We were just chatting earlier and saying, a lot of people might be afraid to ask right now because, obviously everyone's top priority is health and safety. They
Yep.
might feel it's inappropriate to ask, or they might be afraid to ask. They don't want to know
The answer.
answers.
Yep.
So Amanda's going to tell us a little bit about what's going on in the world of mortgages. And we've heard a lot through the media about the mortgage deferral program. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so all the lenders, banks, monolines, credit unions are all offering their clients a different type of deferment package based on their each unique situation. The best way of finding out more is actually contacting your lender. All lenders have a direct hotline set up for this right now. The reason it's best to contact your lender versus your broker is the lenders are doing it on a case-to-case basis, so not each story is the same.
Right. Okay. So people shouldn't just stop paying their mortgage, right? They need to get
Definitely
approval.
not. So one of the questions I'm getting is this going to affect me when I go to renew my mortgage? Is it going to look like a missed mortgage payment? The
Right.
answer is no. It will only be a missed mortgage payment if they take the money from your account and it's not there. The
Okay.
deferral programs that they're currently setting up, the skip a payment options some lenders have, will not damage your credit.
Great. That's excellent. So how are meetings and signings taking place right now in light of what's all going on with your existing clients and with new clients?
So everything has been done online. So for brand new clients, we're able to email them a mortgage application that they fill out online, goes right to our system to complete their approval. For any existing clients who have closings coming up, it's all being done by DocuSign and phone calls.
Amazing.
Yeah,
That's so
it's
great.
great technology. It's keeping
Yeah.
everything on track, easy, and people are loving it.
That's so great. And are closings, as far as you've noticed, are they going ahead as planned? Are there any delays that you've been seeing?
We haven't seen any delays. Everything is going as planned.
Great.
Lawyers have given the green light that they're able to do their calls and Zoom calls for signings.
Okay.
And the land registry office actually has been working from home for 2 weeks now. So it's just become the new norm that everyone's from home closing mortgages.
That's so great. And have you seen any changes as far as appraisals are concerned?
We have. So a lot of lenders are becoming a little more lenient in how they're done. We are seeing more drive-by appraisals and automated appraisals ever before. So the appraiser doesn't actually have to go into the home. They're either able just to drive by
Right.
or look at the past comparisons in the neighborhood and say, yes, the value makes sense.
That's so great.
Yeah.
And I've been hearing a little bit about interest rates. I know they were reduced recently, and now what's happening with rates?
So rates have gone up a little bit. The reason why is there's just a liquidity issue at the moment. Anyone in business who had maybe a line of credit, credit cards, a lot of them have drawn from them over the last couple of weeks due to the situation happening. So therefore, the banks just don't have as much money to lend on mortgages. With that said, the government did give us some good news, and they are going to do some things to help increase liquidity in the market so that rates can maybe start to stabilize.
Okay. Is there anything else that you think our clients should know about right now as far as, exercising that deferral program or?
I think the biggest thing is the deferral program might not be for everybody. There are other ways that they can lower their monthly payment by contacting their mortgage broker. I've had a couple of clients that we've just broken the mortgage and re-amortized it from a 20-year to a 30-year in order to lower that monthly payment. It usually lowers it about $300 or $400, which for most people is what they need right now just to get them through this time,
Right.
versus a deferral program that could put them behind down the road in the sense of paying the mortgage off longer, having higher payments, things like that. We're
Right.
also seeing a lot of refinances. So a lot of people are refinancing to pay off those line of credits they might have used in the last couple of weeks,
Hmm.
or just to pull out some liquid out of their home and equity to have as an emergency fund.
Right. Yeah, that could be really useful during a cash crunch. So that's a great option to have.
Really could it. It's good to
Awesome.
have, and if you pull out the money and let's just say you don't use all of it, you can
Mhm.
always use it as a lump sum payment afterwards so that
Right.
you're not that behind on paying your mortgage off on time.
Right. Oh, great. That's so helpful, Amanda. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.
Be on.
And we're
Yeah,
both,
I love it.
yeah, this is so fun.
It
And of
is.
course, we're both available to answer any questions that you might have on a case by case basis.
Yep,
But I think what we both just want everybody to know is to stay healthy and safe and don't be afraid to ask. If you have any questions at all, we're here for you.
exactly. And thank you so much for having me. And any of your clients have questions, just reach out and I'm more than happy to help.
Thank you so much. Okay, be well.
Bye, Jess.
Bye.